So what do you think of this?
It's really cool. I had no idea how it was going to unfold, but...
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's Extreme Daily Drivers. Thanks so much for stopping by the garage. Today, do not have a black shirt on because today I'm not getting dirty. We're going to be doing something awesome, and it's not going to cause our hands to get greasy or anything like that. And look who I have with me as a helper. The wife. In full effect. Partly because it is like 80 degrees out.
It's beautiful.
A little bit of a breeze.
And Brandon said it was only going to take 15 minutes.
It's only going to take 15 minutes. It's no humidity. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It is a perfect day to install an awning by 23.0. This is the Peregrine 180. Man, this is going to be awesome. So let me show you what we got here. We got all the hardware laid out. This is what you get with the kit. You got the mounting brackets. These are what's going to go on your roof rack. You got some straps or hooks. I believe these are for tying down the awning once we get it opened. I think this is more the same. I will say this didn't come in any directions, so I'm only going off of what I've seen on YouTube so far. But we got some U-bolts to hold the brackets to the roof rack. Some nice stainless steel hardware. These are tie downs, and then these are optional poles. And then down here is the awning itself. All right, so there are basically two schools of thought on how you could actually do this. You can mount the brackets to your roof rack, okay, and then mount the awning onto the brackets, or you can mount the brackets to the awning and then mount the entire thing onto your roof rack. So when I got this thing in the mail, I didn't know it came with all this great hardware. For whatever reason, I didn't think it came with mounting hardware. I guess because I'm an idiot, but I was trying to come up with all these different ways that I could mount these, and then I decided to open the box after a day and realized it had all this great stuff in here, and I don't need to get creative on how to mount this. All right, so that wasn't bad at all. Check it out, we got them on here. They are solid, and they are pretty darn even too. So I know what you might be saying, like, dude, now you're gonna have to measure, figure this all out, how the awning's gonna mount and all that kind of stuff. No, we don't have to do that. That's what's awesome about this awning. So this is the back side of it. Peel back this Velcro. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. Peel this back, pull out a piece of cardboard, and you see that there's a little rubber stopper there. There's a little rubber stopper there. We're gonna pop these guys out, which I'm probably gonna need a tool to do. But then we're gonna slide in the bolts to wherever we need them to match what we've already mounted on the car. That's how awesome this is. So let me go ahead and pry these little guys out, and I'll slide the bolts in. You'll have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. So I slid one out. You only actually need to do this on one side. So this is what the guy looks like removed. Took a little piece of plastic here, slide this guy out on this side. Of course, it's being a little bit more difficult than the first side I did. Okay, he's out. So now, take the bolt like this, and then put it in the channel, and you just slide it down. Now we're gonna need two on the top, two on the bottom, and we're gonna throw them on the car. And there you go. Put the rubber stoppers back in. So this is the part where having a second person is super handy because the awning's got to be held up onto the brackets, and somehow the washers and bolts need to be put on the back side. So I'll let you guys watch as Kelly and I fumble through this.
And then like hold it up.
It's not 100% like.
So I should go back here.
It's not 100% weight-wise even.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, that sounded good. All right, so we got the thing mounted up there. Initially, as you guys saw, we had this really close to the vehicle, basically all the way in. We decided to pull it out a little bit. You can see the profile back here. So this thing's rock solid right now. It's not going anywhere. And we're about to open this baby up. I'll show you what's going on inside here. Of course, there's some cardboard in here. All right. So cardboard out. You fold this over. All right. Fold it over. Unzip. Unzip. Unfold. This guy.
Wow. That's really cool.
Hook here. And then just gonna keep going out. Oh no, this one comes out.
I was gonna say it looks like there's more folded in there. Wow. Pretty serious.
Just tell you, dude, this thing's no joke.
Wow.
Okay, so then this one's gonna go here.
I need to back all the way up for this.
Yeah, you do. All right. Now we get to these guys. So let me mess with these, show you the final product. So,
Something.
so what do you think of this?
It's really cool. I had no idea how it was gonna unfold, but I approve.
So guys, check this thing out, man. I'm trying to get it all in the camera. Dude, look at it. It's awesome. So yeah, this is 180 degrees. This isn't your typical awning. A lot of the cheaper awnings, they're only gonna be this part here, but this guy stretches out. You can see it's windy. It's pretty windy out today. You can probably hear it in the microphone. Stretches all the way out, covers the passenger door, and really important to us, covers this tire here. I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. But then look at all this rear coverage that we have back here. And the coolest thing about this is, check this out. I'm not ducking. I'm walking under here and I'm not hitting my head. It's like the perfect size for me. So if you're 6 foot and under, you don't have to worry about ducking underneath this thing. So one of the real important reasons why we wanted to make sure that we had coverage on the rear tire is this awesome thing that I got from Chris for Christmas. It's the Tailgater tire table. Got this for Christmas from the missus. And this thing is super awesome. Wait till you see this. So anyway, it's made out of steel. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to pick one of these guys up off Amazon. And it fits any car. I actually tried it on my neighbor's Subaru, and then he told me that he was gonna go buy one. I've already put this on the car once and actually marked where to adjust these legs so that I know every time. So it's got these little feet that hide away. Pull these out, and then they slide in here with the grip tape facing out. So you just take this, put it on over your tire, center it up, and boom. There's your table. The awesome thing about this is if you're ever on uneven ground or anything like that, this table will always be centered. A lot of times if you go camping, the ground's uneven, it's hard to get the table balanced flat. But with this, since it's on the tire, it's always gonna be level. And there's nothing underneath to kick over or anything like that. So it kind of matches the theme of the awning. So I think that about does it for this one.
Yeah.
Was this easy or what?
It was. It wasn't 15 minutes, but it was a very easy install.
It was under an hour.
It was under an hour.
And just how pleasant was it to work with something that was so well thought out from the factory?
Yeah.
This is a universal piece. It's not made for a Jeep Commander. And dude, it was so easy to install, even without directions. It was really easy to install. It's such a quality piece.
Very, very well made.
Again, it was not cheap. I'll put a link down in the description, but it was totally well worth it. And I'm really happy that I chose this one. And I think we're gonna have it for a really, really long time.
Yeah, it's well made.
So anyway, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions about the Peregrine 180 awning, let me know down in the comments. Or if you have any questions about the Tailgater tire table, let me know about that too. But yeah, that's it.
That's it.
We'll see you next week, man. Have a good one.
Bye.